Welcome. In front of me I have GARMIN Bounce 2 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen timeout duration on this watch. Basically how quickly the screen turns off after you stop using your device. First you will need to open the menu, and to do that press the upper button. Once the menu opens, scroll down and find the settings icon, and once you find the settings icon, tap on it to enter the settings, of course. In settings, find the option called display and brightness and tap on it, and here find the option called timeout. It's going to be at the bottom of the menu. Tap on it, and here we have a list of durations. We have 4 seconds, 8 seconds and 15 seconds. Select the one you like. As you can see, now it's applied, and now my screen should turn off automatically after 15 seconds of inactivity. So if I won't touch the touch screen or the buttons for 15 seconds, the screen will turn off automatically to save power on our watch, and it should be quite soon. I would say right about now. Oh no, a bit longer. Yeah, here we have it. And that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.